Lazy day of summer, huh? Enjoying your vacation?
Well, I'm watching on vacation. Hey,
Okay.
what is it?
Here, right here. He's going to hammer his tent. All right. I'm coming.
Mom?
It comes up because of the wind.
No, Mom, walking off my feet.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Uh-huh. You got it? Give it a, just watch your fingers. You got it in, good job. Now these ones, you gotta do this one came out from the wind too. So how's your tent doing? Good. You like camping, huh? In your backyard?
Yep.
This is backyard camping. You using Junior's tent that he used last night for ranger camping? Well, he's the one who uses it for camping. You go camping in Bellows Beach when Daddy comes home, you can use it. You sure you want to sleep outside with all those centipedes?
And there's one back there.
Okay. Well,
Okay, you can stop now.
okay.